Here is a piece of Plex-Earth magic. We are pleased to present how Plex-Earth 5D can be a very powerful visualization tool that lets users easily publish 2D and 3D projects to Google Earth. Let's begin. This is a completed design of a two-dimensional road project that we would like to view in the real world through Google Earth. To proceed, our project must be georeferenced. This can be easily done just by following the corresponding tutorial available in our website support desk. Once the drawing is georeferenced, we can use the expert KML or KMZ tool of Plex-Earth 5D to publish our project in Google Earth. We will then be prompted to select the objects that we would like to publish, and after finalizing the process, we will be automatically redirected to Google Earth. Within this short amount of time, we now have a full view of our project in Google Earth. In addition to that, all of the original object and layer information from our drawing has been retained, which can be even further modified and customized in the resulting file. Let's find out what else we can do while we're here. Let's create a place mark that will serve as a point of interest for communicating with designers, which may contain information required in the project. Once it has been created, we can copy it from Google Earth, paste it into AutoCAD, and Plex-Earth 5D will do the rest. This can also be applied to any KML element and layer, allowing users to import Google Earth data into AutoCAD. This method can also be done the other way around by creating a place mark or a different element in AutoCAD, which will then be made instantly available in Google Earth with the use of Plex-Earth 5D's quick Google Earth tools. Now, let's see what we can do with the 3D project. This is a wastewater treatment plant model, complete with applied texture and material properties. We basically use the Expert 3D KMZ feature of Plex-Earth, and yet again, in an instant, we can get a preview of how the model will look like in the real world and navigate around it through Google Earth's environment. The visualization of our project can even be more enhanced with Google Earth's terrain and 3D buildings features. Furthermore, due to the resultant file being such a lightweight one, it can easily be shared with stakeholders, clients, field agents, and others for them to better visualize and even validate our design. And this is yet another piece of magic that Plex-Earth 5D offers to its users: the power to utilize Google Earth effortlessly for greater visualization of your AutoCAD projects within its environment.